I think there are a number of parents that notice that their daughters and their sons have mechanical aptitude. They're interested in engineering, they're interested in creating, interested in building, fabricating, and that those skills should be promoted. Right now, people going into the construction trades, they can earn a better living than they ever could, probably in the history of this country, just because of the demand for product and the demand for high sets of skills. And when you put somebody in an actual trades school like Howard College, they're going to learn that, and they're going to understand the importance of being able to get along and work with symbiotically possibly hundreds of other team members that are part of that construction effort.
So at Howard College, we offer a myriad of courses and programs here for any individual that's looking to go into health programs or into any kind of trade like construction, electrical, pharmacy tech, HVAC, and some of those programs that individuals will come here and be able to get an education in a short amount of time at an affordable cost and go straight into the workforce. Our programs offer not only theory learning, which is, the typical academia type of learning in a classroom out of a textbook with instruction through lectures, but we also have a variety of hands-on learning so that when the students graduate from whichever program that they are in, that they are able to go right in and fit in with whatever work or company that they join. We are very lucky in San Angelo to have a great partnership with the community as a whole. So we have partnered with various companies, including the Home Builders Association and also the Chamber. The Chamber has been very supportive of all of the programs that we are trying to create as we strive to begin programs that come out of community needs.
Community colleges, I think, are gaining a lot more stature in the United States. We're seeing that community colleges that specialize in skills training and certification are really going to lead the charge, I think, over the next 10 years at least in this country, because they're creating affordable, durable, sellable skills. Ultimately, we've got hundreds of needed homes to be constructed here in San Angelo. There's still a high demand for it because of the sort of quilt work, if you will, of all the different economic sectors that are putting pressure on housing. Howard College has definitely stepped up to the challenge. Being in a rural area, a rural part of the state, Howard College fills an extremely important role. Obviously, in a major metropolitan area, you have you can choose from many different community colleges and many different campuses. So Howard College is really on the vanguard for West Texas in providing that very necessary training.
We are really thriving in terms of the trades. A lot of this has just come out with, I think, the way that San Angelo is growing, which again has been a huge community effort. It is also coming with, I think, a light being shed again on how important trades are. We just had graduation not that long ago, and to see we had 9 HVAC students complete the program this year and walk the stage, and to see them taking their pictures with their instructor, and that they were just so excited to have their certificate and be able to go out. And most of them have jobs prior to even completing, and the same is with our electrical and our construction. They all tend to have jobs prior to completion, and that's because the community is in such a need. We will continue to grow, and we will continue to need some partners, because with new programs, especially with all of the specialized equipment, large material that comes, we are ever in need of space. To provide our students really with the real live work experience that we want them to have, so that when they enter a job and go into our community employers, they will have the experience that they need, and the employers will have minimum time that they need to spend training those employees.